After months of uncertainty, finally the Indian Super League is back, and what an opening fixture as the back-to-back winners MOHUN BAGAN Super Giants go up against the Kerala Blasters at the VVYBK Stadium in Kolkata. Lineup for MOHUN BAGAN tonight: Vishal Cape is in goal. There are league debuts for Abhishek and Mehtab in the back four. Robson De Silva also makes an ISL debut. Sachin is in goal. Umar Bar makes his debut alongside the captain Bikash Yumnam at the back. Roland Borges gets a first start. Bindas makes his league debut. Well, who wears the captain's armband, having made that move from Chennai in the January window last season. Roland Borges there. An old head when it comes to the Indian Super League. Can the Blasters cause what would be a big upset on the opening day if they could beat MOHUN BAGAN in their own backyard? But a lot of football to be played over the next 90 minutes. So we're underway. Finally, after all the speculation, all the uncertainty, finally the new season is happening. ISL appearance for him tonight, and he will swing in the corner. There's a missed header, which ball in, it almost reaches Liston. In towards McLaren once again, it's Liston. Petratos. Oh, swung a boot, but in fact, in their previous 5 seasons, they've only lost their opening fixture once. Another long-range shot, which just wide of the target again. In season 22-23, MOHUN BAGAN. Robson, just across the face of goal, and Sachin had to just help that one on its way. Gone, that's all, plenty of time. It's another corner. Will they make the pressure count this time? Another long-range shot, which is just over the... Just needing a little bit of treatment, the Blasters goalkeeper. Move from FC Goa, picked up that serious knee injury after just 3 games. There's another heavy challenge. And that could be the game's first yellow card for Danish Farouk, who was probably warned a moment or so ago for the challenge. Seen him score from this sort of distance before. Up and over. And tipped away by Sachin Suresh. The outswinger once again from Petratos, looking to go a little bit deeper this time. Back in again, straight at the goalkeeper once more. Being very much in favour of the Mariners at the moment in the first half so far, but they still haven't managed to find a goal. This could be the moment, though. And the opening goal of the new season goes to Jamie McLaren. Who else? 12 goals last season, and finally MOHUN BAGAN make the breakthrough against a very in a row. But it was well worked, but it was poor defending really from Kerala. They had just 2 players back behind the ball when McLaren managed to sweep it home. And that's the first time really that they've lost their shape at the back. There's a good ball over the top. Here come MOHUN BAGAN again. Sachin blocks that one away, manages to get there before the rebound can find a maroon and green shirt. Another good shot for Robson first half. Lovely understand. Another chance for Liston. Took a slight deflection. Dimi Petratos. Liston with a slight deflection this time. Gathered in by the goalkeeper. Taken again by Dimi Petratos. Petratos. Out wide by Tapper. Robson. Teasing again. Almost took a touch off the defender and went into his own net. Take it past Sachin. Just there. She's off the defender. Petratos with another corner. And another free header for Alberto Rodriguez. And Sachin gathers at the second attempt. And there is the half-time whistle. Well, it was a first half that was dominated pretty much by MOHUN BAGAN, the defending champions. It did take them a while to break down this stubborn Kerala Blasters defence, though. 12 goals last season, getting another goal to his tally this season. There's that final corner. But at the break, at the VYBK, the opening game of the season, it's MOHUN Bagan Supergiant 1, Kerala Blasters 0. Didn't manage to make it through, and it spelled the end of Jose Molina as coach. 2 0-0 draws against Dempo and their big rivals East Bengal. There's another foul, wide 8. No love lost between those two. Well, it's a poor challenge, really. Quality ones as well. Dimi Petratos, so used to taking the free kicks, of course. And same to towards Alberto, but comfortably taken by Zabi Mitai. Can he come up with some quality? Nice little ball played inside to Petratos. Couldn't quite get the ball out of his feet. Follow-up is bounced just wide. Both of them coming at Odisha, and both within a week of each other. One against Bengaluru. Actually played 9 games for PAA Chania this season before being left out of the squad. Still, they can't get the ball clear. Liston trying to play it through, just over the top. Good effort from Liston Colasso. He said he was in good form in the Durand Cup. Just needed that one a little bit lower, just got underneath it a little. Fortunate with the ricochet that came on by APUIA. Liston, long way from goal, but, well, confident enough to try his luck. He's had a couple of good opportunities. And Metab makes way for Sahal. So Aldred will go in alongside Alberto Rodriguez, that familiar partnership from last season. Sahal. Brought down late after the ball had gone, and a yellow card. He just switched off there, MOHUN Bagan. I think they thought the flag was going up. Marlon. There's a header that's just going to loop up from Danish and into the arms of Vishal Cave. Kerala's looking a little bit stronger to finish. Lovely touch again. Kevin Yoke. Srikuttan wanted it played early. It takes a deflection and loops up for Vishal Cave. Out the Blasters, just giving the ball away in those areas where they can, if you keep possession, you stand a chance of creating something. Here's Manveer. And Manveer was a regular in the side last season, but may not be a regular name on the start this season. With the free kick. Oh! Simple header from Tom Aldred, and MOHUN Bagan have their second goal in stoppage time. Well, they scored in the 96th minute here last season, and they scored in the 97th minute this season. It's his partner Tom Aldred in this game, and the Blasters just switched off. The set piece proving dividends. Advantage. He just got away from his man. There were 2 players with him. Srikuttan and Bikash, but MOHUN Bagan will take the 3 points in the first game of the new season. Tom Aldred, that late goal after Jamie McLaren had put them in front in the first half, put a bit of pressure under the goalkeeper, but MOHUN Bagan too good at the end of the day. It's finished MOHUN Bagan 2, Kerala Blasters 0.